is Anya, and today we're going to make a tiramisu cheesecake. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. Line the bottom of your prepared pan with ladyfingers. With a half a cup of strongly brewed coffee and a pastry brush, brush coffee onto each ladyfinger. In a bowl, combine 16 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2/3 cup of sugar, mix until smooth. Add in a 1/4 cup of milk, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of whipped cream. Mix until well combined and smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Pour half of the cheesecake mixture over the ladyfinger base. Smooth out evenly. Layer another layer of ladyfingers on top of the cheesecake mixture. Brush again with the coffee mixture. Pour the rest of the cheesecake mixture over and smooth out evenly. Wrap the top in cling film and place in the fridge overnight. Dust with cocoa powder. Cut into the cheesecake and enjoy.